You can just curl it around this too. It works. Just having it pushed on
Okay,
there makes it.
yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm. Woo! Pretty.
That's cool.
Nifty girl.
Yeah.
Love it. Are you gonna do another?
Yeah, I think so.
You could even you could go through it and bring one down through the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Do you ever turn it and go from different directions?
Could, yeah. Definitely. Do whatever you want. Oh, look at that. Just use your fingers.
Interesting.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, wow.
Got a lot of dimensions.
Now you could do some little doodly things there, kind of like what she did on your side.
You gonna do another bowl?
I think I'm gonna do one more,
Yeah, you could do
but with the string actually, like to make it pop, like maybe on the side here.